This demonstration video is for our impression priority kit. Inside, you'll find 4 containers of impression putty, 2 blue and 2 white, along with a return card and a prepaid post bag for you to send your kit back to us. To create the impression putty, open 1 blue and 1 white container. Remove the putty from each container and knead the 2 colours together until they're fully combined and the mixture becomes a consistent light blue colour. Once the putty is thoroughly mixed, roll it into a ball and place it on a flat surface before pressing the finger in to create the impression. If you're creating an impression with a pet's nose or paw, we recommend placing the prepared putty onto the top of one of the lids provided in your kit. This provides extra support while you gently push the putty into their nose or paw. Carefully look over your impressions in the light to ensure you have captured defined prints. If you find the impressions from a fingerprint are faint, you can also take an impression from a knuckle or palm instead. Note that it is only possible to create single-sided impressions with this putty. You have 3 to 5 minutes to create your impressions in the putty before it starts to set. If you're not happy with an impression, you can re-roll the putty and press into it a second time. Repeat the same process with your remaining blue and white putty to create your second impression. Once you are happy with your impressions, leave the molds to set for 30 minutes before placing them back into the box. Fill out all the details on your return card and place that in the box with your impressions, and use the prepaid post bag to send everything back to us.